Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by inserting your card with the chip forward. You want the reader to engage immediately. Once inserted, choose language and the transaction type. You enter your 4-digit PIN while covering the keypad. This protects your account and prevents shoulder reading. Make sure to watch the screen prompts. If prompted, select account type, checking versus savings. Once done, the machine will display amount options. Pick one or enter a custom value and confirm to proceed. You now execute the core steps. Select withdrawal or deposit and pick an amount, or input a custom dollar figure and press confirm. For deposits, feed notes face up and flat or use the envelope as instructed. The ATM will count and validate. Pay attention to any fee notice. If a fee appears, you can cancel or accept and proceed. Once the machine processes, it will tally and display the final total. Review it before you finalize to ensure accuracy. You finish by taking your cash, card, and receipt. Verify the dispensed amount immediately and put everything away. If cash doesn't appear but your account was debited, do not reinsert the card. Remain at the machine and use the on-screen help or call the number on the ATM. Make sure to keep your receipt for records and report any discrepancy to your bank within 24 to 48 hours. If the card is retained, contact your bank right away to block it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.